Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Internet Explorer cannot display the page, diagnose connection problems, error in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is at the bottom search bar, please type for Internet space options. The moment you have typed that, proceed with the best match and go with open to continue. Wait until a new window, which is internet options, would appear. Where here you can, let me just place it as a center since I have accidentally dragged it there. Okay. So you would be able to see a list of the options, a lot of the options here. Where here you need to look for advanced. Click on it. And there you can see a settings. Where here you need to go with restore advanced settings. Click on it. And the moment you have the click on it, go with apply and okay. Once you have restored it, proceed with our next method. Okay, so if your problem is not being fixed, proceed with the next method, which is here at the bottom search bar. Please type for settings. The moment you have typed it, wait until a best match would appear and go with open to continue. You can also use the shortcut which is Windows and I key together, and that would lead you to the settings itself. Here at the settings, okay, please proceed with time and language. Tap on it. And here, go with your date and time. Okay. So you need to turn on the set time zone automatically. Okay. Just have to turn it on and set the time and date with the present or with exactly at date time that you have as of the moment. So set the date and time exactly at of the date and the time that you have or that you are in at the moment. Go with change to set it, and once you're done, click on this backward arrow and proceed with closing this window. So check if your problem has been fixed. I'm sure it will be fixed this time, okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.